Hiya, today in this video we are going to discuss the McFadyen-Stevens reduction, also known as McFadyen-Stevens aldehyde synthesis. In the previous video we have discussed the Lindlar reduction and Birch reduction. If you have not watched, I am giving the link in the description box. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to get notified. In this we are going to see the reaction, the mechanism and examples from literature of the McFadyen-Stevens aldehyde synthesis. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Let's begin. This is the McFadyen-Stevens synthesis reaction. This is the starting material of this reaction. The base is added to this reactant and the aldehyde is subtained. Here this R may be of aryl group or alkyl group which has no alpha protons. It should not have alpha protons. Let us see the mechanism. This is the starting material, also known as reactant. The base abstracts this proton and this bond shifts over here, forming the double bond here, and this group eliminates, forming this product. After that, this bond shifts over here, forming the triple bond here. After that, it moves here, forming the negative charge. The nitrogen is removed over here and the carbanion is generated here. After the acidic workup, the aldehyde is obtained. This is the alternate carbene mechanism. Here the carbene is generated. Here the base abstracts this proton. In this case, the base abstracts this proton. After that, this moves over here, forming the negative charge on the nitrogen. After that, this group eliminates, that is ArSO minus, this will eliminate, forming this product. After that, this bond shift over here and this will move over here, forming this compound. After that, nitrogen is eliminated, forming carbene. Carbene is nothing but, this is the least carbene, which is methylene. After that, the aldehyde is obtained. Let us see some examples from literature. This is the starting material preparation. Here the acid chloride is treated with this compound. This nitrogen with lone pair attacks this carbon. After that, this double bond will move over here, forming the negative charge on the oxygen, and this negative charge will come over here and Cl will eliminate and hydrochloric acid will eliminate, forming the starting material. See, this is taken from tetrahedron letters. This is the starting material. Here the R group is present. Here the R group should be of aryl and it should not have alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen should not be present. Here the aryl group is this one. Here the base is given K2CO3. After treating with base, the aldehyde is obtained. Let us see the mechanism of this reaction. See, here the base abstracts this proton and this bond moves over here and this group eliminates, forming this compound. After that, this bond shifts over here and this will come over here. Nitrogen is eliminated and this carbanion intermediate will be formed. After the acidic workup, the aldehyde is obtained. This is the aryl group here. See, this is the example which is taken from JAX. This is the starting material. Here R group is the aryl group and here the aryl group is present. The base will abstract this proton and this bond will move over here and the nitrogen and this group will remove and the nitrogen will eliminate, forming this carbanion intermediate. The carbanion intermediate will be like here, the negative charge will be present. After the acidic workup, the aldehyde is obtained. See, this is the another example which is taken from tetrahedron letters. Here the R group is the butyl group and the toluene is present. This is the aryl group. Here the base abstracts this proton. After that, this group will eliminate and this will come over here, and the nitrogen will eliminate, forming the carbanion intermediate, and the butyl aldehyde is obtained. This is the reference. If you want to have detailed notes, you can refer this book, which is the March Advanced Organic Chemistry by Smith and Jerry March, the 5th edition, page number 534. Thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe. Like this video if you like it, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Stay tuned until the next video. Have a good day.